morning, YouTubers and Railfanners. It is still day 12. Well, yeah, because the last time I did day 12, I saw a train, but I accidentally deleted the video. So now, for today, I had to keep it as Monday, day 12, because yesterday was Easter, and I had to spend the entire day with my gosh darn family. But, yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? Well, I am just about to see a train very, very soon. And, if you all like the video, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell for all notifications so you never miss a video. So yes, I am approaching Betchwood, I do believe. I think I could see Betchwood. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you all can see Betchwood as well. But let's get some Railfanning in here, huh? Alrighty? Well, I'll see you all when the train gets here. You hear that? That's not the signals. That's this signal right here. Yeah, you heard me. This signal, not these ones. This one. Yeah. I also have like a little paper on me for the train when they see it. It says, "I'm a fan of the railroad, CN." Now, when it comes to CN, I was watching a video yesterday, and it was saying that in the next 50 years, they're going to change their CN logo to something else. Even though after like God knows how many years of steam locomotives, and then eventually they transferred it to diesel. And you're seeing the diesel that now appears today. But I am at the crossing again with the Type 3 general signal electronic bell, or e-bell, or whatever people call it. I don't know. I'm just going to call it an electronic bell, because for the people out there who just call it an e-bell, you're just... I don't know what to say. I don't want to say anything mean to the rest of the Railfanners out there, but what I do want to say is, don't just call it an e-bell, just call it an electronic bell. That's the only one I can think of right now. No train that way, but there's a train that's going to appear this way. Because of this signal right here. This signal transfers signals down to there, where the triggering point is. And when that triggering point is there, that's when this activates. And as you can hear right now, yeah. But there will be a train soon. So, just, this is my picture here. Here, I'll wait for the train to come out. I'll see you all later. Here is the picture that I was telling you about. I'm a fan of the railroad. Hope the train comes here soon. What I would do is I'll just go like this. They'll be happy. Alright everyone, we're back. And looks like we found the train. So let's get this thing. Let's here, this thing. here. Such speed. And look at that, half intermodal. Go. Now, I've never seen that in real life. That's cool. Well, that was epic. I'm gonna review the video and I'm gonna edit this later and post it on YouTube. Maybe I'll see a second train. I don't know. It takes forever to see like a second train when it comes to this point. All right. Bye, everybody.